Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to share the first set of Boxycharm's October spoilers. Now, before I get into it, let me just go ahead and remind you that Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription. You're going to get 4 to 5 full-size products every single month. Okay guys, here is the first set of confirmed spoilers. You have 6 eyeshadow palettes from Dose of Colors, and these retail for $32. Now let's go ahead and take a little closer look at each palette. You have Sassy Siennas, Blushing Berries, Baked Browns, Snow Angel, and Marvelous Mauves. And the last one is Pretty Cool. Okay guys, so what do you think of the spoilers so far? I think the palettes are beautiful, and I'm hoping that this is one of the items that we will be able to customize in our box. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more spoilers because, of course, there's many more to come. And also, don't forget about my 3K giveaway going on. Make sure you check out that link in the description below. As always, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.